Hey folks, cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary kitchen with produce from my ordinary steakhouse. And today we're going to teach you a fantastic way to cook a steak indoors. You know, if steak's not your deal, if maybe the grill is his deal or maybe the grill is her deal, a little secret, the best steaks in the world aren't cooked on a grill. They're cooked right here in a flat iron skillet. But along with me is my ordinary grill dog, Sherman. Good catch, buddy. Good catch. Good catch. And of course, everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over to pick it up. These are, just really good small cuts of meat. I have a couple fillets here. And it looks like I have some tenderloin cubes. And one thing when you're cooking steak, whether you're on the grill or in the house, always let your meat sit out to room temperature. Now, I went ahead and seasoned these when I took them out, but what's real important is that we dry that moisture from the steak. And I'm not too worried about if I get rid of some of my seasoning because there's more. But, when we hit that pan, we want that pan to start caramelizing that steak, and we don't want that water to disrupt the energy flow. So I'm really gonna get rid of my excess moisture here on my steaks, get it off my plate like so, yeah, and then probably hit it with some more seasoning. We like just a good Montreal seasoning. You can use whatever you want, maybe get a little more in there. Get that seasoning good and even on that dude. And of course mop up, pat in, get those good peppers really down in there. Get this thing evened up and seasoned. Boy, this is gonna be great. Mop up. So we're gonna take our cast iron skillet and we're gonna go ahead and get some heat in that thing. And I'm an old scout. In fact, one of my friends commented that he didn't see me cooking with cast iron on one of our recent episodes. So I usually, anytime I'm frying, I'm in cast iron. But what we want to do is we want to heat that skillet so that, we just start to see a little smoke. We want to get that dude to about 400 or 500 degrees, remember, just like we were doing on a grill. After our skillet is good and hot, I mean good and hot, we're going to take our high temperature oil. I like grape oil. You can also use avocado oil, walnut oil, a lot of different oils out there. Even canola oil works well. Just don't use, just a regular Crisco type stuff. And we're going to go ahead and just get a good amount in our pan. The cast iron really gives you a much more even heat than a traditional, copper bottom skillet. Although it's going to work fine too. Meat away from me. So the several different schools of thought here about sear and turn, sear and turn, sear and turn. I think you get a better caramelized effect if you just leave it down for 4 minutes aside with these cuts of meat, maybe 5 minutes, and that's going to get you a medium rare steak, and medium rare by pressing on your fingers. You want to get right in here, and that's the feel you want to get. Right there is medium rare. Medium is right in here. And then well is right in here. That's the feel you're looking for. It's important that our oil gets up under there, right? So make sure that oil's getting up under there so we're getting a good even sear on the bottom of that. So after 4 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and turn these things. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What I'm gonna do is start adding some butter in there. And I've taken a couple cloves of garlic and just hand crushed them, no chopping, even left the peels in there. I'm gonna get that garlic going. And I'm gonna fry it, get a little thyme and a little rosemary. Oh, actually, a little rosemary and a little thyme. Then what I want to do is just start basting that butter in there. Kind of get my skillet turned and get that on top. I could use a little more butter, I think. Get that going real good. Butter will kind of burn itself out, so just keep adding a little bit of fresh butter in there. So then, I want to get these things cooked up on the edges. Really get those sides seared. And that's gonna get some of that fat, some of that marble, get it down into my liquid. After roughly 4 minutes aside, I'm gonna set these things off, let them stand. We'll go ahead and put a little bit more of our butter on there. Let that steep. We'll have to slice into this thing and see how she looks. I got a good crust on that. Oh yeah. Yep, that's the way Jenny likes it. Medium. Ooh, folks, I'm telling you, pan-fried steak, a little butter, garlic, thyme, rosemary, cast iron, you can't beat it. Oh, we're dining well tonight. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is so good. We killed it. Is that good or what? Is that good? Are you the luckiest German Shepherd in Fruitland or what? I'm telling you, I gotta have another piece of this. Kelbob. Ow.